Making changes to invoices. TaxDome allows you to edit its details freely if an invoice hasn't been paid yet. For example, if an invoice was sent through a pipeline automation, but you need to add an extra line item, you can edit it as long as the client has yet to settle the amount. To do so, find the invoice in question in the Billing, Invoices section. Click on the three dots on its far right side and then select Edit. Any details can be adjusted here, like when making one from scratch. For this tax return example, let's add a consultation fee. The total amount has been updated. Don't forget to click Save. If you need to delete an invoice and issue a new one, you can do that too. Once again, click on the three dots and select Delete instead of Edit. Afterward, you just have to click the New button, select Invoice, pick the client, and then make a new invoice. If the deleted one was linked to a job, you'll want to link the new one instead. Just click the Link to Job button while creating the invoice. Choose the correct job, and it'll be linked to it as soon as you make the invoice.